When a vacuum is in need of repair, you must block the vacuum stall with an orange cone. Next, disconnect all power to the vacuum by locating and tagging out the breaker using the tag out kit. Test the vacuum by pressing the vacuum's on button. If the vacuum does not turn on, you are clear to remove the dome. Next, remove the cover of the vacuum motor. This will give you access to the motor's brushes. Inspect the motor by spinning the fan blade on top to see if the motor is locked. If so, you must replace the motor. Remove the brushes and inspect for wear. If the brushes show no or little signs of wear, reinsert the brushes and inspect the fuses. To replace the motor, loosen the lock nut on the threaded rod between the two motors to lift the securing plate. Next, disconnect the wires from both sides of the motor. Remove the motor and replace with a new one. Note: inspect the motor's gasket and replace if needed. Reverse the procedures to replace the vacuum motor. Next, replace the vacuum dome. Make sure all screws are secure and tight. Remove all lockout and tag outs and turn the vacuum breaker on.